Hello everybody, I'm Minya Rajkumar and I'm today going to teach you something which is more interesting. So now bouquets are the best gifts which you can give to your beloved ones. There are two types of bouquets. One is artificial and another one is natural. The similarity between both are the bouquets which we buy from our shops nowadays. So the dissimilarity is that artificial remains for a longer time than natural. So today I'm going to teach you an artificial bouquet which you can give it to your beloved ones. So now let me show you a model of that bouquet. So this is a bouquet which we are going to make today, and so now let's see the materials which is required. The materials required are a scissor, a A4 sheet or a A4 chart. Ice cream sticks are important. Glue, paints, woolen thread. It can be of any color choices, but make sure that they are like this. Like you can use purple and pink, or you can use any colors which are the best contrasting. So, and the next one is some decorative things like color stones, or you can use thermocol balls. So now let's begin this session. So first take A4 chart, but cut them into a rectangular shape like this so that it is very easy for you to fold. So I hope in beach you would see someone selling something, like you would see someone selling food items. So they would just make it like this. So I want you to make a cone shape. So now after making it, take the glue and stick them. So stick them very firmly so they should not fall when we are next fixing it. So see friends, now our cone is ready. I hope you can see something. It should not have any hole inside. So it should be fixedly topped at bottom. So next take the woolen thread. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wound this cone. So see what I'm doing. First take some glue and paste it, and then start to rotate. So see friends, now just apply glue and just do the same. Just wound the cone with this thread. So now after doing this, we will now have another half free. So now take this another color of your choice, and now do the same above the first one, just as a small design. So now cut it and apply glue. So see friends, now we have got a perfect cone. So now to fill this gap, it's time to paint. So paint it with any color choices. So here I chose purple to color. So I'm painting the above surface with the purple color. So now to do the same, I'm now paint it inside so that our bouquet will be looking more good. So after painting the cone, your cone should be looking like this. So now keep this cone aside and now let's start. Let me now teach you how to make a rose. So first cut the chart in square shape. So it should be like this. And now take a sketch and then draw a spiral shape. So it should be like this. The shape should be like this. And now cut this shape. So you will get something like this. So now rotate it from the end towards the center. So you can use A4 sheet or A4 chart. Using A4 sheet is comfortable because it is not more thick, but A4 chart is more thick, so it will be uneasy to fold. So see, we have come to the center and now just paste gum at the center point and then stick the rose with the bottom placed at the center. So see friends, you'll get a beautiful rose like this. So this is our rose now. So we have almost completed a rose. We need at least a 10 to 15 roses like this to decorate a bouquet. So have at least 10 to 15 bouquets. Have 10 to 15 roses. So these are some roses, small roses which I have made now. So now it's time to make a stick for. Now take the ice cream stick and then cut them into half. So now we have cut a single ice cream stick into half. See, now it's of two types. So we need to make this ice cream stick top to be sharp so it can easily penetrate to the rose bottom. So I am cutting both sides and making it pointed. See, now it is pointed. Take a rose and then push the ice cream stick inside the rose. So see, you'll get something like this. And do this for every roses which you. So see friends, we have now got at least 10 to 15 roses like these, and now it's time to place them in the bouquet we have made. So now take some glue and apply it in a stick, and then take the bouquet and place them like this. So do the same for everything and make sure that the bouquet is full of roses. So place them in every nook and corners. But make sure the glue is sticking well to it. So see, I have done in a corner, and she do the same to fill everything here. So do the same for everything. So now place glue well so that it gets stuck easily. So see here I have placed four roses lying in a corner. So friends, now our bouquet is almost getting ready. See, we should have something like this inside. So now our bouquet is getting ready, friends. So you should fully cover this bouquet full of roses. So make sure that your bouquet should not be seen something inside. So friends, after decorating the flowers in all the corners of the bouquet, now have 2 to 3 flowers in your hand. And before doing that, first it's time to paint all the flowers which are at the corners. So now paint the flowers of any color choice of yours. But here I'm going to choose a multicolor flowers. So I'm going to use red, pink, and purple and so such colors to paint all the flowers which are at the corners. So first I'm now going to paint all the flowers at corners to get a perfect shape for the bouquet. So see friends, now I have just painted everything, and the left out flowers I have placed them. I have just kept them at the center. See now our bouquet is full of flowers, and now it's time to decorate. You can decorate your bouquet using colorful stones, or you can use glitter pens too. But I'm here going to use colorful stones to decorate my bouquet. So this is what I'm going to use. So see, I have just decorated my bouquet using colorful stones like these, and so you can you can have a name tag here for your friend. So I'm here going to write a simple name tag using a glitter pen. So here I have wrote a name tag saying, "This belongs to you, mom, for giving me such a cat." So this is the bouquet which I'm going to give to my mom. So you can write some name tags like these for whom we're going to give this bouquet. So now our bouquet is completely over. You can also have some symbols of like you can have some hearts. So here I'm going to do a heart and simply paste it here. So just take the remaining sheet and cut a small piece like this. Now draw a heart shape. So it must be like this. So the heart must be like this. Now cut them. Now stick that using a glue. So paste this at the center. So see, a bouquet is now ready. So now you can give this bouquet to your beloved ones. It may be a mom, or dad, or anyone of your choice. So thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, you can if you like this video, you can subscribe and share to anyone. And this is Inya signing off. And bye.